Question 38 of Summa Theologica, Pars Prima, Trinity and Creation. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. This recording is by Jim Ruddy. Summa Theologica, Pars Prima, Trinity and Creation by St. Thomas Aquinas, translated by the Fathers of the English Dominican Province. Question 38 of the name of the Holy Ghost as gift. There now follows the consideration of the gift, concerning which there are 2 points of inquiry: whether gift can be a personal name, and whether it is the proper name of the Holy Ghost. First article, whether gift is a personal name. Objection 1. It would seem that gift is not a personal name, for every personal name imports a distinction in God. But the name of gift does not import a distinction in God, for Augustine says that the Holy Ghost is so given as God's gift that he also gives himself as God. Therefore gift is not a personal name. Objection 2. Further, no personal name belongs to the divine essence, but the divine essence is the gift which the Father gives to the Son, as Hilary says. Therefore gift is not a personal name. Objection 3. Further, according to Damascene, there is no subjection nor service in the divine persons, but gift implies a subjection both as regards him to whom it is given, and as regards him by whom it is given. Therefore gift is not a personal name. And objection 4. Further, gift imports relation to the creature, and it thus seems to be said of God in time. But personal names are said of God from eternity, as Father and Son. Therefore gift is not a personal name. On the contrary, Augustine says, as the body of flesh is nothing but flesh, so the gift of the Holy Ghost is nothing but the Holy Ghost. But the Holy Ghost is a personal name, so also therefore is gift. I answer, the word gift imparts an aptitude for being given. And what is given has an aptitude or relation both to the giver and to that to which it is given. For it would not be given by anyone unless it was his to give, and it is given to someone to be his. Now a divine person is said to belong to another, either by origin, as the Son belongs to the Father, or as possessed by another. But we are said to possess what we can freely use or enjoy as we please. And in this way a divine person cannot be possessed except by a rational creature united to God. Other creatures can be moved by a divine person, not however in such a way as to be able to enjoy the divine person and to use the effect thereof. The rational creature does sometimes attain thereto, as when it is made partaker of the divine word and of the love proceeding, so as freely to know God truly and to love God rightly. Hence the rational creature alone can possess the divine person. Nevertheless, in order that it may possess him in this manner, its own power avails nothing. Hence this must be given it from above, for that is said to be given to us which we have from another source. Thus a divine person can be given and can be a gift. Reply to objection 1. The name gift imports a personal distinction insofar as gift imports something belonging to another through its origin. Nevertheless, the Holy Ghost gives himself, inasmuch as he is his own, and can use or rather enjoy himself, as also a free man belongs to himself. And as Augustine says, what is more yours than yourself? Or we might say, and more fittingly, that a gift must belong in a way to the giver, but the phrase this one's can be understood in several senses. In one way it means identity, as Augustine says, and in that sense gift is the same as the giver, but not the same as the one to whom it is given. The Holy Ghost gives himself in that sense. In another sense, a thing is another's as a possession or as a slave, and in that sense gift is essentially distinct from the giver, and the gift of God so taken is a created thing. In a third sense, this one's through its origin only, and in this sense the Son is the Father's, and the Holy Ghost belongs to both. Therefore, so far as gift in this way signifies the possession of the giver, it is personally distinguished from the giver, and is a personal name. Reply to objection 2. The divine essence is the Father's gift in the first sense, as being the Father's by way of identity. Reply to objection 3. Gift as a personal name in God does not imply subjection, but only origin as regards the giver. But as regards the one to whom it is given, it implies a free use or enjoyment, as above explained. Reply to objection 4. Gift is not so called from being actually given, but from its aptitude to be given. Hence the divine person is called gift from eternity, although he is given in time. Nor does it follow that it is an essential name, because it imports a relation to the creature, but that it includes something essential in its meaning, as the essence is included in the idea of person, as stated above. Second article, whether gift is the proper name of the Holy Ghost. Objection 1. It would seem that gift is not the proper name of the Holy Ghost, for the name gift comes from being given. But as Isaiah says, a son is given to us. Therefore, to be gift belongs to the Son as well as to the Holy Ghost. Objection 2. Further, every proper name of a person signifies a property. But this word gift does not signify a property of the Holy Ghost. Therefore, gift is not a proper name of the Holy Ghost. Objection 3. Further, the Holy Ghost can be called the Spirit of a man, whereas he cannot be called the gift of any man, but God's gift only. Therefore, gift is not the proper name of the Holy Ghost. On the contrary, Augustine says, as to be born is for the Son to be from the Father, so for the Holy Ghost to be the gift of God is to proceed from Father and Son. But the Holy Ghost receives his proper name from the fact that he proceeds from Father and Son. Therefore, gift is the proper name of the Holy Ghost. I answer that gift taken personally in God is the proper name of the Holy Ghost. In proof of this, we must know that a gift is properly an unreturnable giving, as Aristotle says, a thing which is not given with the intention of a return, and it thus contains the idea of a gratuitous donation. Now the reason of donation being gratuitous is love, since therefore do we give something to anyone gratuitously for as much as we wish him well. So what we first give him is the love whereby we wish him well. Hence it is manifest that love has the nature of a first gift, through which all free gifts are given. So, since the Holy Ghost proceeds as love, as stated above, he proceeds as the first gift. Hence Augustine says, by the gift which is the Holy Ghost, many particular gifts are portioned out to the members of Christ. Reply to objection 1. As the Son is properly called the image because he proceeds by way of a word, whose nature it is to be the similitude of its principle, although the Holy Ghost also is like to the Father, so also because the Holy Ghost proceeds from the Father as love, he is properly called gift, although the Son too is given. For that the Son is given is from the Father's love, according to the words, God so loved the world as to give his only begotten Son. Reply to objection 2. The name gift involves the idea of belonging to the giver through its origin, and thus it imparts the property of the origin of the Holy Ghost, that is, his procession. Reply to objection 3. Before a gift is given, it belongs only to the giver, but when it is given, it is his to whom it is given. Therefore, because gift does not impart the actual giving, it cannot be called a gift of man, but the gift of God giving. When, however, it has been given, then it is the spirit of man, or a gift bestowed on man. The end of question 38.